All right. Well, it looks like we got a little update on our Assistant Attorney General out in Rhode Island. You remember the one who went all nutso with the police officers? I'm an Assistant Attorney General, and you're going to go ahead and you're going to regret arresting me. Well, she's got her day in court, and it looks like she is putting a plea of no contest. Now, before I get into the video, do make sure you like, share, subscribe, turn on those post notifications. All that stuff really does help me out. And let me actually do something here. My face is not on here. All right, there we go. Magic of the internet. All right, let's go ahead and get right off into this.
Case 21-531. Ms. Hogan, is your date of birth 1/1991?
Yes, good morning, Your Honor.
Good morning. And are you residing at 210 Shadow Road Drive? No.
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, counsel, we have one charge of trespass. How does your client wish to plead?
Judge, I did submit a plea form, nolo contendere, with your permission, please.
All right, detective, swear the fact.
I do, Your Honor.
All right. So, just get all my documents. So, ma'am, you have submitted a request to enter a plea of nolo contendere. Is that correct?
Yes, Your Honor.
Do you understand that a plea of nolo is the same as guilty, same as I did it under our case law?
Yes, Your Honor.
And in doing so, you're waiving your right to a trial. You know what a trial is, right?
Yes, Your Honor.
You're waiving your right to a trial before a judge sitting with a jury or a judge sitting alone. You're waiving your right to require the prosecution to prove each and every element of this charge against you by proof and evidence beyond a reasonable doubt. You're waiving your right to presumption of innocence, your privilege against self-incrimination, your right to confront and cross-examine all witnesses against you, present evidence and witnesses on your own behalf, testify should you choose to do so. You're waiving your right to appeal any decision this court makes or sets. So you're giving up all your trial rights. You understand that, right?
Yes, Your
Do
Honor.
you have any questions?
No, Your
All
Honor.
right, the next set of questions I ask everyone, don't get offended. Are you currently under the influence of any medication, drugs, or alcohol that might affect your ability to make this decision today?
No, Your Honor.
And you understand if you are not a U.S. citizen, a criminal sentence can have immigration consequences.
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, listen to the act.
Thank you, Your Honor.
On August 14, 2025, the defendant did trespass at the Clock Cookhouse, 24 Bannister's Wharf in Port Rhode Island.
All right, after hearing those allegations, do you agree that the charge can be proved beyond a reasonable doubt?
Yes, Your Honor.
Is there anything you'd like to say?
No, Your Honor.
All right, so I'll find a factual basis for your plea. I'll find it's knowing, intelligent, and voluntary. Mr. Hagan, what's the agreement between the parties?
Your Honor, it's a 6-month filing, no return to the Cookhouse restaurant, and court costs would be imposed.
All right, filed for 6 months, no return. Clark Cookhouse, court costs, ma'am, you sign the clerk, you're all set.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you.
Mr. Hagan, can I see you for a second?
Yes.
Okay, well, it looks like she pled no contest, and it looks like it's going to be court fines. And from the sounds of it, it sounds like she cannot go to this restaurant for a period of 6 months. No jail time. And I don't know if that means if she got fired or anything like that. I bet you she did not get fired. Let me go ahead and let this finish out.
I know I saw the front Spencer Wine.
Okay, we all saw that. And once again, pled no contest, 6 months in jail, or not, I wish it was 6 months in jail, but 6 months, cannot go visit this restaurant, and she has to pay her court fine. So, but as far as her job, I think she probably has kept her job. So, they did ask her about if she was under the influence, and then she admitted that she was not. And look at this. Look at how much better she looks when she is not under the influence. I tell you, alcohol really does change people. It really just makes you go crazy. It makes you look all kinds of weird. So you really shouldn't be doing it or anything like that. She's actually a very attractive woman, but she did something very stupid and acted very stupidly, very publicly. And I don't know if that Peter Naraha or whatever his name is, the Attorney General out there in New Jersey, or rather Rhode Island, had fired her. I don't think he did. I think she skirted away and got away with it. She's going to be going back to her job eventually. So everybody's just clowning on her and whatnot. Your Honor, if it helps at all, I'd like to inform the court that my client is an AG. She wanted to plead the fifth, but she drank it all. The smirk on her face says a lot about her character and lack of remorse. I think that's one way you can look at it and whatnot. Another way to look at it is, hey, I got by this for the skin of my teeth, and I better not mess up or any more after this, because otherwise I might will lose my job. Yeah, I'm trying to see if there's any other news or anything like that. Let me see. Let me go ahead and Google this and see if I find anything else. All right, so right. Yeah, it looks like all of that happened to her with regards to her job was that she has been suspended without pay for 6 months, which is the same length of time that she had to go ahead and not go to this restaurant for 6 months. So there you go. That's pretty much it. That's pretty much everything that's associated with that. Devon Flanagan, she got away with it. I keep saying she got away with it and everything like that. Because really, she didn't get away with it. She did get arrested. She did get processed. She has gone to court. She did the right thing, doing nolo contendere or no contest. So that's it. That's pretty much everything like that. Hopefully she stays on the straight and narrow and don't make a fool of herself or anything like that. Make sure you guys do like, share, subscribe, turn on those post notifications. If you have any type of comments, make sure you go down into the comment section and leave one. My name is Chris Bolts, and I will catch you guys in the next video.